Today, guys, we're just gonna be looking at the secret sauce Ozedikus puts on drums or on his beats. It's so simple, yet just sounds nice, just sounds sweet. So yeah, I was just scrolling through Instagram and I saw this snippet.
Oh baby, do you love me? Do you want me? Do you love my body?
Yeah, so you can hear the drums. Simple drum, yet you know the vibe is just there. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna try to make something similar to that drum bounce. So I'm just gonna play my own drums. This is just simple. So what I come to understand with Ozedikus drums is that instead of using one particular sound to do one thing, like maybe using your rim shot to just be the consistent rim shot, you use different sounds to just play it. So you can start with your rim shot. The next sound should be like maybe a conga. The next sound should be maybe a stick. The next sound should be a clav. The next sound should be hi-hat. So it's not just using one particular sound to play the groove. What I mean by that is, imagine this rim shot, for example. I could just play this rim shot as something like this. Is just the whole vibe basically. Let me just play it. That's the whole vibe in that drum groove that you just heard. But instead of just using one particular sound like this to just play everything, what he does is he mixes those sounds. So you could see, and let me just open this up. We have this percussion here. That's just what that one is playing. So it's basically playing the same thing as this. So you can see how mixing those two sounds now has given it its own groove automatically. Then we have this continuation of those sounds again. So you can see switching up using hi-hats to continue the groove or to play some of those elements of the groove. We have this. Then we have another one which is the snare. This is just the main skeleton, this drum groove. You can see, but he has mixed other percussion with it, which just gives it that groove. So in case you are trying to create, you know, the kind of Ozedikus drum bounce, trust me, all you just need to do is play around with your percussion. And he has already given everyone the source, giving us the source, giving us his drums. And trust me, whatever you hear Ozedikus making, it's actually in that his sample pack, that one shot sample pack. So like I said, this is just the skeleton, and you build everything from there. Then we have this percussion, which is also like the same thing. Then we have some congas. Yeah, so and don't try to repeat everything. Like what you play for the first bar is the same thing you play for the second bar. Just try to create like several variations. Then we have another conga here. And everything I'm using, like I said, are from the 1A pack. All the one shots are from the pack. And maybe I'm going to drop this FLP in case you just want to have this drum groove. Just be the patron, and I'm going to be dropping it like totally free. But this video have to get at least 200 comments. So once I have 200 comments on this post, I'm definitely going to just drop the FLP for you guys. And this is what the steady kick sounds like. But you can see how this is just boring now. But bringing other percussions, then we have this metal. Then put this also on the channel rack. And this snare is a vibe, man. And this snare is also from the pack, which is a soft snare. Yeah, then I just added some nice drum fills. Then the next thing it does is just using a very groovy bass. So adding a bass to this right now is just gonna give it that groove. It's just gonna give it that nice swing. So I'm just gonna on the bass I played for this, and we have this. Vibe. Yep, and you also hear when he plays his bass, you hear like a slap. So that sound is coming actually from just layering two notes together. So you can hear it like a slap on the bass guitar. So you're just putting a note. So you could just put a note just slightly before that note you want it to slap on. So you can hear it also. Nice. So yeah, and that's just simple. Just create simple groove to go with the drums, and you have everything. Then I just added some nice vocal sample. Just if you're been overthinking it, just try to use different sounds to play your groove, different tones to play your groove. I think that's the easiest way I could actually summarize it. So it's a bit. Then we can use the legendary resolve transition. So check this out. Yeah. Yep, and that's just how you can easily create the Ozedikus bounce. So I hope you got something from this. In case you've been struggling to, I know he drops a lot of beat breakdown, which I'm also sure is gonna drop a beat breakdown to that song. But yeah, this is just my own way of trying to explain how you can easily create his kind of bounce. So if you got something from this video, I want to see more amazing videos like this, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, turn on the bell notification so that when I post, you get to know. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.